So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2025 BMW M5, and being the performance vehicle that this is, it features a launch control system. So I'm going to take a moment to showcase just how to enable that launch control. So BMW M cars of the past, I myself owned an E92 M3, and there was a very long list of things you had to do to enable launch control. Fortunately, in the newer M cars, all you have to do is turn traction control off and put your foot 100% on the brake and then start giving it gas, and it'll lock itself in a launch control mode. So first off, push the traction control button right on the center console, and that will pop up the screen right here. So basically you can have MDM or the DSC completely off, one of those modes, and you can do launch control. So I'm going to put MDM mode on. You will see the gauge cluster abruptly kind of lock into a launch control mode. So I got my left foot completely on the brake, and I'm going to start giving it gas abruptly, and you'll see that gauge cluster just kind of lock in to launch control, big and blue. And when you release the brake, you will go. So let's do that now. So that is how easy it is to do launch control in the 2025 BMW M5. If you have some questions beyond that, leave them in the comments below, or if you've had your own experiences in launch control, I'd love to hear about them as well. But other than that, if you can like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Every little bit helps, and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.